mode. This is Sarah with Norris. This is his new owner.
Sarah, walk straight towards Marlene so she can get a good picture of you, honey.
Look at that. Okay, turn him away.
Come on, Norris.
Go ahead. Norris is doing real good here. Well, let's see if we can go see Willow, too. Is Willow still there?
Yeah, she's still there.
Let's go see Willow.
Yeah, he's definitely the dominant.
This is Norris's girlfriend, Willow. She's having a good time eating her hay. Hey, Willow. Hi, pretty girl. And there's Sarah again with her Norris. Good boy. Wave to the camera, Sarah.